everyone. In this video, we will do the solution discussion for the challenge 4.3. So I told you to add a link to an email ID that was annie@wiki.com. So it is the same. It will be used A and have, that is that is a attribute that is a very common attribute for A tag, and it is equals to mail to. So this is again a thing that HTML recognizes it inside that, it checks inside the ref also if the mail to is there, and if it is there, it thinks that it is an email ID. So Annie@wiki, and you should add a colon here. Then target top and contact me. Okay, and this target top is not just important, but I have added it for a betterment. So meet you in the 4.4 challenge discussion.